In this video, I want to showcase some MemeCoin tokens that I've created. Now, along with these actual ERC20 tokens, I've also created entire websites that allow people to interact with these tokens. So the very first one that I created is called the button.finance, and this is literally just a website with a button on it, where whenever you click it, you're able to buy or receive one token. Now right now, the token is not launched. It's going to be airdropped to those who enroll in the first cohort of the Web3 Portfolio Builder Bootcamp. If you want to join the waitlist for that, you can click the link below. Anyways, I made this token so that you can only transfer one token per day. That means you can't buy any more than one token, and you can't send any more than one token. You're only limited to moving one token per day. The smart contract itself was really easy to code, and even this website is pretty simple. The button.finance says it is coming soon because we haven't implemented this yet. I'm going to be airdropping it after the bootcamp launches. So let's go ahead and close this, and there's also a leaderboard, which is coming soon, and it'll show the top accounts of the people who hold the most button tokens. I'm really interested to see if people get competitive about this. So that's the button. Now the next token that I've worked on is something called HODL, and I'm not sure if I'm going to call it Hold365 or HODL or whatever it is, but the URL is hold365.finance. And what this token is that whenever you purchase this token, a timer starts, and that timer is 365 days long. And so the idea of this token is that whenever you purchase a token, you're not able to make any transfers, any sales for 365 days, forcing you to hold. Now, this also comes with tax advantages. It means anyone who is selling this token is able to claim long-term capital gains tax. This was another pretty simple token to create and an easy website to launch. The next token I created is something called delete.finance. And delete.finance is very simple. If someone hasn't moved a token in 24 hours, you can put their address in here just like this, and then you can click this trash icon and boom, you get to snipe their account balance. All of their tokens, you get to keep. Now, I thought this would be an interesting website to kind of create a game out of. That if you want to have tokens, you have to constantly keep moving them every 24 hours or else someone else can find your account and snipe your tokens. Again, once you understand how to code a smart contract, this token was pretty easy to create. You might be wondering where the initial tokens are coming from, like the initial distribution, and like I said, all 4 of these tokens will be airdropped to the Web3 Portfolio Builder Bootcamp members. Next, we have a token called Robinhood. Now, Robinhood is a little interesting. It takes 2 addresses. You put an address in here on the top, and you put an address here on the bottom, and then you click the arrow. And what's going to happen is if this address is in the top 10% of the richest accounts out there, meaning they have the top 10% highest token balances, and this address is in the lower 50% token amount, basically meaning if this is a rich address and this is a poor address and you click this button, the tokens will be transferred from the rich address to the poor address. We can actually go ahead and click this here, and you can see when this project launches, if account 1 was in the top 10% of the richest accounts and account 2 is in the top 50% lowest accounts, you could have transferred tokens from the rich to the poor. Now, because this token isn't technically launched yet, we can change this. We can maybe make it if account 1 is in the top 1%, and maybe the balance can be transferred to the lowest 20%, or even if you're in the top 50% and you can move it to the lower 50%. Anyways, this was just a short little video to show you some meme coins that I created and how simple they are to create once you understand the smart contract code. Even more so, I've created some very simple front ends here to be able to use these tokens and interact with them in just a couple days. I actually built all 4 of these front ends, these websites, this morning. The next couple weeks, we're going to be designing them to make them look a little bit better. Now, just a teaser, before I end this video, I will say I've also worked on something called Grandpa's Chat, which is an application where you can actually mint an NFT, and when you mint that NFT, you get the ability to chat. And I'm going to talk about this in a future video, but we also learned how to build this exact same thing inside the bootcamp. And finally, I wanted to tease another app that I built. This is actually a marketplace where I can sell things. You can see here I've got the bootcamp, I've got Whiteboard Crypto Club, and then I've got this third item called Turtle Cats. And you can see here that for Turtle Cats, the Polygon item is actually lit up. That means I have enough money to purchase this item. And so it costs $1, so I'm just going to show you how it works. We just go ahead and click on the Polygon icon. It'll look like it's loading, and then MetaMask will pop up. You can see it's about $1 of Matic, and if I go ahead and confirm this, you can see that it redirects me to a page with a product that I purchased. And this is just a test product, just something fun that only costs $1 to let people see how easy it would be to create something like Amazon or Fiverr with a pay with crypto option. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that I piqued your curiosity enough so that you sign up for the waitlist below. Thanks for watching.